And again, still in France. Lovely evening. Batteries is something that as part of our focus on electrifying properties, we are looking more into. Our MCS accreditation is on its way, so we can sign them off, and we will make sure that again is part of the system. Now, what's important to me is that we understand where this whole thing starts. Electricity. Okay, now we're getting rid of gas totally in properties, and we've got electricity. Now, electricity, in my opinion, is a very interesting energy source because we can use it in different ways. We can use it for heating, we can use it for driving, we can use it for cooking, we can use it for cooling, we can use it for absolutely everything. It's an energy source that is very versatile depending on what we're using it for. But in the UK, it's an expensive product. Here we are in France. I've been charging the car at a fraction of the cost of what I would be charging the car in the UK for. Electricity here is cheap. Back in the UK, it's something that batteries make sense for. So produce it with solar panels and put it into the heat pump to do the cooling in the summer, great. Or put it into the batteries to use it at a later time of the day. When the sun has gone down, great again. Or we can use the cheap electricity tariffs, whether it's a heat pump tariff, a car charging tariff, various other tariffs that are coming onto the market now that we can work with. We are putting into the batteries at a certain time of the day, and we're using that cheap electricity at other times of the day. Now, a lot of people still don't understand how this works, and that's fine. That's what we're here for. We're more than happy to talk you through it. We're more than happy to set up systems. My focus is, however, is to give you a system, an overarching system that will allow you to do this. So heat pump, electric car charger and electric car, heating, cooling, batteries, and obviously if you've got solar panels we can work with that, or new solar panels can be installed, loads and loads of things. Batteries are key in my opinion, especially the way we are working in the UK with the electricity tariffs. So give us a call, have a look, see what we can do. Pete from PBT Installations. See you soon.